In this video, you'll learn how to add API members in Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will successfully manage access for your team members within the API environment. This process allows you to ensure that the right individuals have the necessary permissions to collaborate effectively. Begin by opening Perplexity AI on your device. Once the interface is visible, look for the profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will take you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your profile. Next, navigate to all settings from the menu that appears after clicking on your profile. This section contains several options. You will be focusing on the API settings, so proceed by finding the API option in the left sidebar. Clicking on this will direct you to the API management area. If you do not have an API group created yet, you will need to click on Create API Group. This action will prompt you to enter a name for the new group. If you already have an existing group, simply select it from the list to continue managing members within that specific group. Once you are in the desired API group, look for the API members option located on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage current members and add new ones. To proceed with adding members, click on the Add Member button. A new input field will appear, prompting you to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to add. It is essential to input valid email addresses to ensure that invitations are sent successfully. After entering the email addresses, check for any options to assign roles or permissions, if applicable, to control the level of access for each member. After confirming the email addresses and any assigned roles, click on the Invite or Add button. This action will send invitations to the specified email addresses, granting them access to the API group. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the members have been added successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.